So taking a look at this GoHawk setup, it's got the amp. It actually came with some antennas because it's an actual radio as well. And then of course you got your speakers and you have a power on and off. So it shouldn't be too bad of a hookup. The main goal is to put the amp in the front space, and you'll see where we'll place the speaker. So we'll go ahead and jump on it. Guys, so got the GoHawks installed. I'm sorry I really couldn't get the install video, just ran into some complications with it, but we did finally get them installed. The install process is still very similar to the other speaker install that I have done. Just looking inside, we have our amp in here. We got all of our plugs in here. Coming down, looking at the mounting bracket. So you have two different types of mounting brackets, which was kind of a challenge. And what I mean by that is you had to find the correct spacer for the mounting bracket. So I used these particular mounting brackets on the handlebars. It seemed like they fit better. And then I used the secondary mounting brackets down at the bottom, which seemed to fit better. And after about three and a half hours of work, we finally got them on. And as you can hear, they sound great. And we're just ready to So I think my man is ready to ride. He's enjoying his music. He's having a blast. And this is what the CanAm Ryker is all about. So thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.